Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing real client experiences with QVR Afro Kinky bulk hair. The good, the bad, and a huge mistake that can ruin your style. I even reached out to the company directly on Instagram, and their response about washing the hair might surprise you, so stay tuned to hear what they said. If you used this hair before, drop a comment below and let me know your experience. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more hair tips and tutorials. So let's get into it, okay? So let's talk about my first client experience, which is the video you're seeing right now. She got a beautiful set of Afro Kinky twists using QVR bulk hair, right? The texture was perfect, it blended well, and she was loving the style. But then she made one simple mistake, which is washing the hair with shampoo. Although she said she always had like flaky scalp, so she wanted to wash the hair. So instead of just washing just the scalp, she washed the twist too. And that is what came about with the twist knotting up the way it is right now in the video. After one wash, the twist knotted up so bad that it was nearly impossible to take down. So she had to come to me to help her take it down. The hair was tangled and it was a struggle to remove them. This was so frustrating because Afro Kinky bulk hair was supposed to, it's supposed to mimic natural hair, but unlike real hair, it does not react well to direct washing once installed. Once it knots up, there is no fixing it. It's really going to take a lot for you to take it down, which you're seeing the struggle right there in the video. I had to use lots and lots of leave-in conditioner to help soften it, yet it wasn't easy to deal with at all. Then I saw the reason why she wanted me to help with the takedown, because I thought it was just twist, so it should be super easy to take down, but I was so wrong. My client had plans to have her twist in for longer, but it only lasted for about 3 weeks due to the washing of the twist. Even though the company said you could wash it and it's reusable, but for her it wasn't the experience that she had. Now let's compare that with my second client who got the same Afro Kinky twist but never washed them. Her twist stayed lightweight, frizz-free, and easy to manage for weeks. No tangling. And she came in about 4 weeks to retwist the back row, and it was easy to take out and reuse the same hair at the back, which I did. I'm going to be showing you guys a video of that too. So what does that tell us? Washing the twist is a major downside to this hair. But before I give you the best way to maintain it, let me tell you what happened when I reached out to QVR, okay? After seeing my clients struggle with a takedown, I contacted QVR on Instagram and asked if it was okay to wash their Afro Kinky bulk hair. They definitely said yes. So you can pause the video and read it. I'm going to put it right on the screen right there. So they definitely said yes, it's okay to wash it. But after my client's experience, I can tell you that this is not the case. Maybe they meant washing before installation, but once it's twisted up, shampooing will completely ruin it. So if you're planning to install this hair, listen to the next part carefully. This is how to properly care for it, so that way you don't end up in the same situation. So the first thing you're going to do, if you're using the QVR hair, the first thing you're going to do is keep washing the twist with shampoo. Instead of scrubbing the twist, focus on washing your scalp only. Use a spray bottle with diluted shampoo or a damp cloth to gently cleanse your scalp. Then let the water run through the twist without rubbing it, because rubbing it is going to get tangled. Another thing you can do is use a light mist for freshness. If your twist feels dry, mix water, leave-in conditioner, and a little bit of oil in a spray bottle. Lightly spray that on your twist to keep it moisturized. Another tip is sleep with a satin scarf or bonnet. This will help prevent frizz, and it's going to help the style last longer. Following these tips will help your Afro Kinky twist stay beautiful, lightweight, and easy to take down when you're ready, because trust me, you don't want to struggle with taking it down. It was a struggle. Like, this takedown took me at least, I spent over 3 hours trying to take down this twist. It wasn't even easy at all. So the biggest lesson here from my client's point of view is do not wash QVR Afro Kinky bulk hair with shampoo after installation. I don't know if anybody has a different experience with washing it after the twist is on their head, but if you have a different experience, please drop it in the comment section, because I want to read it, because I want to see if there's another experience that is different from what my client experienced. And trust me, our experience is very, very valid, because I did a twist and I also know the duration of how long she carried it. So I will insert a video of a twist when she got it done, so that way you can see that she literally got the twist done. And I'm also going to put a timeline too, so that way you can see the date she got it done and also the date of this take down, so that way you can know that you are not trying to make anything up here. So the biggest lesson here is, do not wash your QVR hair. And if you must wash your hair, just wash your scalp and let the water run through. Just avoid scrubbing the twist, like leave your twist alone. If you're not using a leave-in conditioner or a moisturizing conditioner, please avoid using shampoo directly to your twist if you don't want it look like what you're seeing right now in this video. And now I want to hear from you. Have you ever washed your twist and regretted it? So I'm talking about using the Afro Kinky bulk hair, or definitely probably using the QVR hair. Have you ever done this style and washed it? Do you stick to just, dry scalp cleansing? I'm talking about using like dry shampoos and all that stuff. So do you stick to that, or what do you do exactly? Like, drop it in the comment, let me know, let's talk, like let's have a conversation, because I want to make sure that it's not just my client that experienced this, and what can be done moving forward, because I know the other alternative is not washing your hair at all, but some people cannot stay without washing their hair at least probably like once in 2 weeks or once in a month, and they want styles like this, and they want it to stay longer because they're spending good amount of money to get it done. So they want to get the worth of the money that is being spent. Let me know in the comments your experience, and let's talk. Let's have a conversation in the comments. I'm going to be responding to every single comment on this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more hair content. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.